how to search Telegram videos in iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can search for Telegram videos on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So open up Telegram, and if you're trying to search for a particular video, just go ahead and then tap the search icon over here. So you can tap the search bar from the very top of the screen, and then you can simply go ahead and try to search for the types of videos that you want. So let's say you want to search for a particular song or maybe a particular tutorial video. You can just go ahead and search for those, and you can just go to the media tab instead. You'll find all of the media and videos related to that. If it's a video that maybe someone has sent you for some reason over here, you should be able to see those videos and then basically download those videos as well if you think that is actually fit for you. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then search for videos on Telegram on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.